everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the GMAT Club News Update. Whether you're deep into your GMAT prep or finalizing your MBA applications, we've got you covered with this week's top stories. Don't forget, all the links to these resources are in the description below, so let's dive right in. If you're starting your GMAT prep journey, then this one's for you. The newly updated Definitive GMAT Study Plan 2025 edition is here, covering everything from setting target scores to choosing the best prep materials. Did you know that a 50-point improvement takes just 2 weeks of review, while a 150-point boost requires about 3 months of intense focus? If you're aiming for a high GMAT score, this plan will help you structure your prep in the most effective way. Check out the full guide linked below. Here's a great opportunity for those looking to test their GMAT skills without spending a dime. Today, on behalf of St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, GMAT Club is offering full access to its GMAT Club tests. No payment required. This means you get up to 10 full-length adaptive tests and 1,400 plus practice questions for free. But remember, once the day is over, access disappears, so be sure to review your mistakes before midnight. Don't miss this incredible opportunity, the link is in the description. Ever felt stuck at the same GMAT score despite multiple attempts? Well, you're not alone. One test taker shares their journey of boosting their GMAT score by 40 points after 2 failed attempts. Here's what made the difference. Adjusting their test-taking order, starting with the most mentally demanding section, practicing LSAT, RC, and CR questions to master verbal, using time checkpoints on test day to stay on pace. Their final attempt resulted in a 705 score, and they walked out feeling victorious. Full story linked below. If you've ever wondered how accurately GMAT practice tests predict your real score, this one's for you. In a recent GMAT live session, Stacy Coprins breaks down the truth behind GMAT mock exams, including how to simulate real test conditions, the impact of test anxiety on scores, why reviewing past GMAT questions online might skew your results. If you're serious about getting an accurate GMAT score prediction, this discussion is a must-watch. Round 2 applicants, the moment of truth is approaching. If you're anxiously waiting for decisions, we've compiled estimated release dates for top schools like Harvard, Stanford, Booth, Wharton, and more. Plus, you can join the official school chat groups on WhatsApp to connect with other applicants and share updates. The full list is in the description, so be sure to check it out. Also guys, have you recently completed an MBA interview? Your insights could help others and you can win a $50 gift card. Just submit your interview debrief by this month and 5 lucky winners will be selected. Don't miss out on this easy opportunity. Finally, let's talk about what not to do when preparing for the GMAT. GMAT experts from GMAT Ninja, Manhattan Prep, eGMAT, and Target Test Prep reveal common mistakes that can seriously impact your score. Over-focusing on timing early in prep, weak conceptual understanding, taking too many practice tests leading to burnout. Want to stay on track? Well, check out their expert insights, link below. And that's all for this week's GMAT Club update. Which story caught your attention the most? Well, let us know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button for the latest GMAT and MBA news. Best of luck, guys, with your prep, and we'll see you next week. Bye!